Welcome! In this video, we're going to show you how to make sure only your friends can see your text story on Facebook, using the latest update on PC. If you want to keep your text story private and share it only with your close connections, we'll guide you through the simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to create a story. Click on Create a Story to begin. Next, you'll be prompted with a few different options for creating a story. Select Create a Text Story to share a text-only update. Now, you'll see a text box on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and type the message you want to share. You can write anything you like, whether it's a quote, a quick update, or even a fun thought you want to share with your friends. You also have the option to choose a font style that suits your vibe. Once you've finished typing your message and choosing the font, it's time to adjust the privacy settings. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small gear icon. Click on it to open the settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option called Friends. By selecting Friends, you ensure that only people on your friends list will be able to see your text story. This gives you more control over who views your content. After selecting Friends, click Save to confirm your settings. Finally, hit Share to Story, and your text story will be live for your friends to see. And that's it. Now you know how to make sure only your friends can see your text story on Facebook. It's an easy way to share your thoughts while keeping things more private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.